Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go! Episode 6. Ella meets a friend in the park. Do you want to learn English through real-life stories? Then stay with Ella. This is another easy English story. Today, Ella is going to meet her friend in the park. It is Sunday afternoon. The weather is nice and sunny. There is a cool breeze, and the sky is blue. Ella wants to relax and spend time with someone she likes. Her friend's name is Anna. They met at work a few months ago, and they became good friends. Anna lives not far from Ella's apartment, so they often meet on weekends. Today, they decide to walk together in the park near Ella's home. When Ella arrives, she sees many people enjoying the day. Some are walking dogs, some are jogging, and others are sitting on benches. The park looks full of life. She smiles when she sees Anna waiting near the big fountain. "Hi, Anna," Ella says happily. Anna waves and says, "Hi, Ella. How are you?" "I'm good," Ella answers. "It's such a beautiful day." "Yes, perfect for a walk," Anna says. They start walking together along the path. The grass is green, and the sound of birds makes everything peaceful. They talk about their week, about work, plans, and little things that happened. Ella tells Anna about her first time at the gym. Anna laughs and says, "That's great! I should join you next time." They continue walking and stop near a small lake. The water is calm, and a few ducks are swimming. They sit on a bench and watch the ducks for a while. Ella says, "Sometimes I feel lonely living alone, but moments like this make me happy." Anna smiles and says, "You're doing great, Ella. It's not easy, but you're strong." Ella feels thankful for having a good friend. They keep talking about their dreams, favorite movies, and places they want to visit. After a while, they decide to get some ice cream from a small shop near the park. They eat, laugh, and take a few photos together. The sun starts to go down, and the sky turns orange. Ella feels peaceful and full of good energy. She says, "Thank you, Anna. I really needed this time." Anna says, "Me too. Let's do it again soon." When Ella walks home, she feels light and happy. She thinks about how important it is to spend time with people who make her smile. It was a simple day, but a very good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.